this wonderful episode we're going to be doing some flooring and some demo. So I've pretty much done the post, the bearers and the joists. I wasn't able to really record that part because I didn't have a camera with surefire storage, but I'll just continue on recording from putting the hardware on. So we're going to be putting just some standard pile to bearer fixing kits, stainless steel ones, and then putting strand board on top of the floor, and then we'll start on the demo. We're going to be taking a portion of the house out or down and doing an extension. This is the extension through here and the deck that's coming off through here. So it's kind of like wrapping around the side, and this wall over here is going to be demoed. So we'll probably be looking at doing that maybe next week. But yeah, we'll get into it. So I'll do the hardware. So smuggle time now. Just went down and grabbed some lunch from Pack and Save. I'll just go through what we did first thing this morning. So we got most of the hardware on, or at least the hardware that is kind of at a lower ground level. Through here. So we put these cyclone ties on, 3 nails top and bottom as per the plan of the product plan for these. Ran those through there, going to insulate this area and then lay the flooring down. Same thing with these ones. Just before Smoko, me and Jordan got the sheet on here. He did these ones through here, so these are the anchor piles. Nail plate, stainless steel nail plate through there. Got the 8 nails top and bottom on that. Both sides, long nail through there. Bunch of fixing, fun to do. But yeah. I have Smoko now and get back into it. Hopefully lay some more sheets. Ants will probably be coming around, which is the big boss man, to drop off the screw gun so we can screw these things down a lot faster than an impact driver. But yeah, get into it. demo. Just removing a section of the weatherboard so we can continue our extension. I'll get into it. Okay, yeah, so lunchtime, we just took the ceiling off, which is that shit down there. It's quite dusty. Quite dusty to say at the least. A lot of, god damn, a lot of dust. Fuck. Jesus Christ. But yeah, we got that taken out, and now we can start taking out the frames that we don't need and start framing up the frames that we do need. I'll give you a little fuck. Look around what we've gotten done so far. Fucking hell, this dust. That's going to be taken out soon. That's going to stay for as long as possible. That's going to be taken out. Yeah, portions of these, and just going to have a stud running up through that strong back for the truss to support that, and then the rest of that can be taken out. Got steel coming on Thursday for that, and most of that can be taken out. Fuck. Yeah. I'll continue on. Gonna end the episode here. We continue the rest of the demo and probably getting some steel in on the next episode. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you guys next one.